So in today's video, we're going to look at a quick introduction on how to look at the table in design view in Microsoft Access. So here we are in Microsoft Access. We've got a couple tables here, and we're going to go and design one of these. So we go into design view. Here we've got some different fields that have already been set up. So the first thing to look at is data type. So this is the overarching data type for this field. So here, when I drop this down, I've got a bunch of different values. I've got short text, long text, numbers. There's a whole bunch of different things that are available here. For this one, it's number. So just stick with number. You'll find number, short text, date, time, yes, no, auto number. Those are some of the major ones. There are though other ones that are available. So here I've got number. I then have to decide what kind of number it is. Is it just an integer? Is it a single? Is it long? So I'm going to set this as a single. You've got the format. So for this, I don't need any format, so I'm not going to change this. But you've got general number. You've got all sorts of currency, euro, different things in here. The number of decimals, you can set this to auto, or you can set this as a flat amount. It goes all the way up to 15. Input mask. So this is a good one. So yes, I'm going to save that. Yes, I'm going to save this. So this is for a short text would be an input mask. So if this was a password field, I could put a password, or if I wanted to format this as a social security number or a phone number, I can force that right in the table. So just going back to number, and then there's different things, whether there's a default value, whether you allow indexing, whether you allow duplicates. So a lot of different things that are available here. You can also do lookups to other tables. So here I'm in this test string to short test. I can do a combo box and actually have that reference a different table. I'm not going to do that now. So there's a lot of different things that you can do in here. Some of these are more generic and more commonly used, but as you go into more complicated systems, more complicated databases, there may be things that you want to set in here. Generally, a lot of what you set in here, you can also set on the actual form. So, for example, the input mask, where we looked at this as bring this back up. So if I wanted to store a phone number, I don't know that I would necessarily store the phone number like this. First of all, that's very restrictive. If you had an international phone number, would you handle that? I would just store it as a number, and then on the UI, on the actual form, I would format that in the way that I wanted that to be formatted. So it's just up to you, personal preference, but it is something to keep in mind that there are a lot of different options here. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Please also share. Please go ahead and check out my other videos on my page. Have a great day.